Keraru. I'm the Dean of Students currently at Rift Valley National Polytechnic. These are our youths, and this is our future in this country. Therefore, we are trying to encourage them on how they can take care of our environment, our future, because taking care of environment is our future. And with a target of planting 1 million trees within the college, and during that period, our students were able to plant 1,000 trees. So that is part of what we are here, and that's what we are trying to encourage the whole management, the whole from the Principal's Council. You realize our student population is quite big. We are almost 13,000 students in this institution. So if you have 13,000 ambassadors of the environment, then our college, we are also making a contribution in our country, encouraging our youth the CPET courses, that is computer-based competency courses, and out of sight, from there they will be able to earn a living from that. So that's why we are finding this event very important for us in our institution here.
But CPET or skills, some of what the students are doing here is part of the skills which can enable them to earn. Even showcasing what they can make, the dresses. We have the garment making department. We are introducing what we call the media programs, and all of this we have converted them into the new CPET programs, which is SIDAC examined. And as a National Polytechnic, we are moving to the level where we shall be doing our own curriculums, because we are now an awarding institution. That is, we shall be mandated to award our own curriculums, and we are on the lead. As most of us know, as an institution, we set the pace, and we want to live up to that. And as we move on, we are also going to engage students in various other activities. If you look around, you will find that they are still having sports. We are regional champions, we are the county champions, we are the sub-county champions, and that is part of talent. And we are really happy to have this annual event. And